Hello Crafty Familia and welcome back. Today's process video is brought to you by our Patreon family. All the materials for this project will be in the links below for you so you can find them. And let's get started. I'll share a free project here down below in the description box as well, and in my Patreon family page. This screen movie recording was for you so you can see how is it that I arrange all the pieces, and a little trick to cut out small pieces of vinyl for application is to surround it by a rectangle or a square. That way when you cut out, it's easy to weed or peel off. All you need to do is to attach the image to the square or rectangle that you're using. This time I'm not using transferring tape because I don't have any, and to be honest with you, I actually use contact paper. I ran out of contact paper, and I remember I took this from husband and I realized it was sticky, and it's not that sticky that the pieces won't come off. So this is what I use this time around because I didn't have any contact paper. You can find it in any hardware store. It's the tape that you use. It's the mesh tape that you use to cover holes in the wall and patch them up. But I want to show you and that it actually works. One of the tricks in applying vinyl is that it doesn't matter if you're using the most expensive transferring tape, the cheapest one, or contact paper, or this mesh tape for walls. The trick is that you actually have to help the vinyl a little bit. When you're lifting up the transfer material you're using, you actually have to, well, this is what works for me, first of all. You have to hold the vinyl down, the piece of vinyl you're trying to do, like I'm doing right now. The second silicone bag that I decorated, I also used a Cricut vinyl brand, and there was a glitter vinyl that I found in a craft store. So it is not Cricut brand, but Cricut does sell this kind of vinyl, so I'm going to leave you the link below as well if you're interested. But I actually had a hard time doing the settings, so it kind of went through the paper, so I ended up using it as a sticker. You're going to see it right now.